Okay, now I've drawn my dots to represent my knuckles and my little lines to represent my phalanges. Okay, and these are the tips of my fingers, paying attention to size. Okay, so what we do now is we actually go in and look at the shapes and forms of our fingers and go ahead and draw them. Okay, and right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to highlight a mistake that I saw made last time. Okay, and I'm doing this a little quicker so I don't bore you. I usually draw much more slowly than this, but this was a big mistake I saw across many students. Okay, and this drawing is supposed to represent my hand. Okay, and as you can see, things aren't really matching up that well. Okay, the overall size and proportion is really off, and here's why. Okay, now if you look at the distance between the knuckle dots, okay, these are actually pretty good. All right, between all of these going straight up, but side to side is where a lot of people had a mistake. Look at the space between my pinky knuckle and my ring finger knuckle. Here, I drew it way far apart, but in real life, they're much closer together. Same thing with my ring finger knuckle and my middle finger knuckle. They are much closer, as you can see on camera, than I put on the paper. So what happened was, because I did that, okay, I didn't pay attention to the size between these third knuckles on every finger, it made my hand go big on the page when, take a look, okay? I have a little bit of a dainty hand here, and this is like stretched out rubber glove status, okay? So you gotta be careful with that mistake that you can make. Pay attention to distance between dots, up and side to side.